If w minus 1 is an odd integer, which one of the following must be an even integer? Okay, so this is saying w minus 1 is an odd integer. So what does that mean? We can say that w minus 1 can be 1, or it could be 3, or 5, or 7, and really any number that's odd. Okay, let's just say let's just pick one. So let's just say we do 3. W minus 1 is equal to 3. That means W equals 3 plus 1, 4. We can use that value of 4 in place of W and just see which one ends up being an even integer, right? So let's look at these guys and let's plug it in. So W is 4 plus 1, so E is 5. That's an odd integer, so that doesn't work. Let's look at F, which is 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4 minus 1, 8 minus 1, which is 7. Also an odd integer, doesn't work. So what about G? 2 minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is our first even integer. So this works, and let's just, for the sake of exercise, do the last one. 2 plus 1. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So none of these work besides this. Okay, so the only one that must be an even, so again, the case is that this guy right here is an odd integer. That means one of these, or not one of these, any of these. So any of these odd integers, and then we solve for what that odd integer is for w's in respect to the w, and then we plug that value in for each of them. So, and then we see when we plug in the value, which one results in a even integer, which of the following must be an even, right? So this has to be even, and you can try it with other values of w. So let's say I did w minus 1 equals 1. So then w is equal to 2. If I plug in 2, do I get an even integer here? Let's see. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that also works. Whereas in all these other ones, I'll keep getting odd integers. So the answer is G.